Hi guys, you are a developer, so you don't have to come over app.lotsofwms.in to create license. Now you can create a license or edit a license or delete a license with our simple API. With this API, you can create a license when user purchase directly from your website, and also you can set up to your domain. And we have already announced a new update is 𝐂𝐚𝐭𝐬A𝐩𝐩 is coming next month, May 2025. So book your white label. Let's see a live demo. So first of all, I use Postman, so I show you live demo. So here is the documentation. I will provide this link in description. So here is the heading license management API key documentation. So first of all, here is the base URL. I copy this URL. So I directly create a license, edit this license and get some data from this license and delete this license. So I copy this license key and paste this license key here. After that, I go to header and click on, I'm going to here you can set up first of all a header. So you can set up username and password in headers and also password. So I go to here and I can click on header and here is the key option. I will write the name username and password because here is the instruction for admin. So I will type my admin username is name test and I will paste my password for test key. So I copy and paste it here. After that, I want to create a new license. So here is the method is post method to create a new license. Here is the API methods. First I want to create a license, so I use the post method. So I go to here and click here and choose a post method. Now I am going to body and here you can see post method and here is the post method and here is the you want to paste the base URL. I already paste the base URL. So I go to here and choose the row. After that you can choose JSON. It is automatically choose in my PC. So just I am go to here in example request and I copy this here to here and I paste it here. Here I can put my number. So you can put your number with your country code. So I am from India, I write 91. After that I write my another number. Here is my another number. How much days you want to get trial? So I want to 7-day trial. Enter your customer name. So I will name is API demo. Okay. After that you can status is true. Also you want to it is not compulsory because status is optional method. Its default already true. So you can delete this or as you wish. So I can send request on this. So if you can see here license key is generated. Here is the license key 𝑅Z. I can copy this license key and paste it here. Okay. Now I am going to I done this first step. It is successfully generated license key. If I face any issue, this show me this type. After that I want to edit or update license key, like I want to give more days or less days, or I want to change the name or anything else. So I want to use the patch method. So I am going to here patch and here is the base URL is same. After that I am going to here and copy example request. I copy this code from here. So I want to update 7 days to 10 days license. I go to here and you just need license key. So I copy this license key here and paste it here. After that, this is the optional option, so I delete this option. And after that, I update this URL to 7 days to 10 days. So it is true, it's successfully updated. Okay, so it is the second method is patch method. The third is delete. If you want to delete your license key, user license key, you can use this method. But I use first of all I use I want some data of using a license key. So I use a get method. So I copy. So I use example request. You can list all license record you want to check, or if you want to check something like this, so you want go to this. If you filtered by license key and WhatsApp number, you can do this. So I will choose filtered by license. So I copy this URL and I want to use get method. So I go to here and use get method and paste the URL. So here he asking for a license key. So I go to here, copy the license key and paste it here, and after it successfully, you can show customer name is API demo, customer number, license key, activation date, expire date and status. So now you can check, you can filter your data, customer data. So I want to, this is the successfully response or error response. You can check the full documentation. Now I want to delete this user. So I use the third method, delete an existing license. So first of all, I use delete method. So I choose delete method here, and after that I need a base URL. So I copy this URL, and after that I paste it here. It is already right, so I will backspace and yeah, okay. So after that I want to delete some data. So I copy this dummy data from here, and after that I paste it here. You only need one thing, is your license key, customer license key. So go to here and paste the license key. After that click on send. Now you can check this license key deleted successfully. So how you can use, now you can understand how you use API for WhatsApp CRM. So be aware from scammers. Now I will show you our new update. We will announce in May. Here is the webhook, outgoing webhook. Here you can check outgoing webhook, and I already uploaded a video on our channel lotsofcode.in. You can check, and for more information you can subscribe our channel to get updates, and be aware from scammers, because already people sell our code, and people get the code in a low price, and user don't know how they use your personal data. So be aware from scammers. Thank you. And we also give you that and also if you want to white label, book your white label, because in the next month we will also going with outgoing webhook. So just book your white label now. Thank you.